Good morning, good afternoon, good day to you wherever in the world you are. My name is Meech. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, welcome back. Gonna jump straight into it. I should have called this a what I eat in a day, but then I realized I only eat 2 meals a day. So here we are making breakfast. I like to start with some red bell peppers and some red onions, but you can definitely mix it up however you like. So starting with a little bit of olive oil, I just add my veggies. So in this case, like I said, red bell peppers as well as red onions. I like to dice them up pretty fine. And then I add chickpeas, washed of course, rinsed, drained, because that's what gives you all that gas. So you want to make sure it's all rinsed. And then I just kind of go through and just let it cook. I season it. I've put all the seasonings in the description box. So if you do want to know how to make this recipe and how to season it just like me, then definitely take a look there. The main thing when making this dish is that I kind of make sure everything cooks down and then I mash the chickpeas. I want to kind of like half mash them so that some of them still hold the full shape and some of it's mashed. It gives it that creamy taste. And then I add spinach. Recently I've started slicing up my spinach though, so I would definitely say slice up your spinach. I just like spinach sprinkled. And of course I'm gonna pair this with some avocado toast. Who doesn't? And I season my avocado toast with some black pepper, some chili flakes, sometimes some garlic and paprika as well, depends on how I feel, but this is how it looks. And guys, it's amazing and it's super filling. Now moving on to, I don't know whether to call this a late lunch or an early dinner. I'm pretty sure I ate this maybe around like 5-6 o'clock, so let's call it a early dinner. Anyway, I'm starting with some baked sweet potatoes. I poke them so that they don't explode and I roast it in the oven, probably on 400 degrees or 425. Everything's around 400, 425 these days. And I like to season it with a bit of salt, some black pepper and some paprika as well, and I also add some vegan butter. And then I like some kind of bean combo inside. We're gonna load this up. So in this case, I use red onions. I only ever cook with red onions, so if you see me using white onions, I probably didn't have any red onions. So red onions, some yellow bell peppers, some garlic, season it up. Again, seasonings are in the description box, so definitely take a look below. And then I used black beans in this case. Again, make sure you rinse them and drain them. And I like to add some kind of Mexican infused seasoning, should I say, or like Mexican style. So because it's beans, I'll use things like cajun, chipotle, maybe some taco mix, fajita mix, cumin, along those lines. But like I said, all the seasonings are in the description box, and I just go through and basically just heat everything up and make sure that it's soft but with some kind of bite. And then all I do is load up my sweet potato. At this point, your sweet potato should be real soft and like creamy in the middle, which is lovely. Then I add some vegan sour cream, some salsa, sprinkles the rest of the spring onions or green onions on top, and there you have it. It's like a loaded Mexican sweet potato. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe. Otherwise, stay fierce, stay raw, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.